Warm wishes, everybody. Now I am going to steal some of your valuable time to know what is meant by pilates and how it is used for our kids. And we are going to see what are the health benefits when we are doing the pilates. Okay, let's see what is pilates. Pilates is a body conditioning routine that helps to build strength, endurance, flexibility and coordination without adding any muscle bulk. And it contains a series of about 500 exercises inspired by calisthenics, yoga and ballet. What is meant by calisthenics? It is the type of gymnastic exercise. And we all know about yoga, and some of our children may know what is yoga and they are familiar with yoga. So then we are going to see ballet. Ballet is a performance of work that consists of dancing. So all these three items, the calisthenics, yoga and ballet, the three of these items join together to make pilates. Okay, the pilates lengthens and stretches all the major muscle groups in the body in a balanced fashion. Okay, how it is origin? Actually, pilates is the brainchild of a German doctor, Joseph H. Pilates. He came up with several exercises and equipments for helping immobilized soldiers during World War I. And he introduced these pilates into America as a way to help injured athletes and dancers safely return to exercise and maintain their fitness. It improves flexibility, strength, balance and body awareness. Okay, then what are the benefits we are going to gain when doing this pilate? Actually, the pilates, when doing pilates, it improved our flexibility and increased muscle strength and tone, particularly of abdominal muscle, lower back and hips. It balanced the muscular strength on the both sides of our body. It enhanced muscular control of our back and limbs. It improved stabilization of our spine and improved posture. It has also rehabilitate or prevent of their injuries related to muscle imbalances. It improved physical coordination and balance. And also it is used for relaxation of our shoulders, neck and upper back. It also provides safe rehabilitation of joint and spinal injuries. Okay, then why it is so important? Actually, nowadays we are in Corona lockdown period. So this is not our vacation. Actually, we are in lockdown. So most of us are staying in home, because we have to maintain the social distancing and we make our child to be safe and secure. That's why we stay ourselves and our child at home itself. But our children are very much eager to spend their time by watching televisions and mobile phones. It is not at all good for their mental as well as physical health. So we make them to do pilates for their healthy and safety environment. So we have seen many of the health benefits related to pilates. So let's see some of the most endurable benefits for our kids. The first one is it increases flexibility. Actually, children need to be flexible to perform physical activities like ballet and gymnastics. The poses in pilates helps to keep a child's muscle and the tendons limber. Kids who follow this exercise regain are way more healthier. So, we must make our child to do these pilates to increase their flexibility. Then the second thing is it is used to improve their concentration. While performing this pilates posture, our child will need to focus on one part of its body. So, it can help the child improve his concentration that will boost his performance in both academics and sports. Then, the third one is it strengthens the muscle. The control movement in pilates improve blood circulation and strengthen the body's core muscle. A strong core or trunk helps a child conserve his energy and be more attentive to his schoolwork. Pilates also help tone the body and improve the athletic performance. Then the fourth one is it corrects the posture. Kids these days are glued to their television and computer screens, as I said, for long hours, which adversely affect their posture. It also leads to recurrent back problems during adulthood. Kids who do pilates regularly have a better posture and are less prone to injury. They also have better spinal alignment. So that these four things make our kids, it's more important to learn pilates and do pilates. Okay, then what are the things to be remembered to learn pilates? Actually, as we all know, definitely the first need is a proper dress, because the dress make our dressing makes ourselves to be more flexible to the various poses and make it our pilates in a better way. And the main things to remember is the concentration and focus, because we move our body through precise range of motions, and it also requires concentration in finding a center point to control our body through movement. Each exercise has a prescribed placement, rhythm and breathing pattern. In pilates, our muscles are never worked to exhaustion, so there is no sweating or straining. So what the need is just intense concentration. The pilates method is taught to suit each person, and exercises are regularly re-evaluated to ensure they are appropriate for that person. And due to individual attention, this method can suit everybody from elite athletes to people with limited mobility, pregnant women and people with low fitness level. So there is no need to scare about our body, because initially when we are going to learn about pilates, we may feel some of the uncomfort. So we may have some positive thoughts, and we learn step by step and a slow manner to do pilates in a better way. Then, what are the methods of pilates? Pilates can be done in two ways. The first one is mat work and second one is machine workout. As we all know, machine workout is nothing but it is a type of gym works. For example, weightlifting, treadmill, these kind of machine works, it's also a kind of pilates. Then mat work. In mat work, we have do a separate mat for our exercises. So mat work and specialized equipment for resistance are used here. The workout consists of variety of exercise sequence that are performed in low repetitions, usually 5 to 10 times over a session of 45 to 90 minutes. There are many kinds of exercises, and it may also available in YouTube, and we make our child to learn these pilates through YouTube. Watching videos and televisions and some of the cartoon programs in YouTube doesn't make our child smarter and stronger. So parents, please make sure that you are giving the best by learning these kind of pilates to make them success in both athletics, academics. As we all know, we make our child to learn yoga for their better concentration. pilates associated with yoga. So child who learn pilates will never get poor score in academics as well as sports. A good beginning will make the best end. So let's begin our child to make the habit of doing pilates regularly to provide them healthy life, as it regulates our blood circulation and maintains our body muscles to avoid back pain and obesity in our adulthood. I hope this session will be useful to you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.